Number 5.
Remember when power tools were actually powerful? Since 1951, Win has equipped woodworkers with reliable tools at an affordable price. Now, with our 12-inch variable speed drill press, you'll get top-of-the-line drilling power without compromising performance or price. Adjust the variable speed to any rate between 530 and 3100 RPM to perfectly complement your workpiece. Watch as this Win drill press glides through wood like a soldering iron through butter. That is beautiful. Remember when power tools were versatile enough for any project? This package includes an adjustable work table that not only bevels but also extends outwards, an onboard digital readout and lever for easy changes to RPM, and a combination work light and laser for maximum accuracy. Remember when tools were built for rugged performance? Attack wood, plastic, and metal with ease. Watch as we effortlessly drill into an inch of pure cast iron. The Win 12-inch variable speed drill press. Remember when power tools were actually powerful? Remember when.
Number 4. Number 3. Number 2.
Remember when your planer could handle every job you threw at it? The Win 12.5-inch benchtop thickness planer repurposes rough and worn wood while also providing uniformity to the thickness of your boards. Attack pieces up to 12.5 inches wide and 6 inches thick. Our 12-amp motor generates over 18,000 cuts per minute at a 26 feet per minute feed rate. Each full rotation of the knob adjusts the height of the planer at 1/16 of an inch, allowing for extremely precise measurements to meet the needs of the project at hand. The Wind Thickness Planer also features a fully granite table to prevent scratches and marring to your board. Not only does this create a stable and perfectly flat base for wood to smoothly travel over, but it also provides a non-stick surface to prevent sawdust from clinging to the table. This package also includes a 2-inch fan assisted dust port, a soft rubber grip adjustment handle, foldable in-feed and out-feed tables, side-mounted handles for easy transportation, and a tri-roller feeding system to help minimize snipe. Make boards flush, repurpose old wood, and get exact measurements, all with the Wind 12.5-inch thickness planer. Remember when you brought those old jagged boards back to life?
Remember when?
Number 1.